Hey, what's up, team? It's Navarro, head trader PSC13. It's Wednesday, September 20th, 2023, and in this video, we're gonna go over the SPY, our swing trades from yesterday, and our new entries and what we're looking for tomorrow. So let's get right to it, guys. Just a quick disclaimer: I'm not telling you what to buy, what to sell. You trade at your own risk. This is solely for entertainment and educational purposes. So let's go ahead and get started with the SPY. The FOMC meeting came in today. The minutes were a little hawkish, so here we go. The morning did come back up, tested some of the previous levels over here, and then of course, as the minutes came in and the meeting was going on, the market was just being its usual self, volatile. We go to the 1-day, 5-minute. Here's where the meeting started. Came back up, tested that same range here, and then started just selling off into the close, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. It might just come all the way back up or continue lower, we don't know, but in the morning I'm pretty sure that if we just wait a little bit, wait for a setup, there will be a setup to the up or down, downside, upside, whatever, but we'll be ready for it. We'll check levels, and then from there we'll make a trade and execute the plan as we go along. So that was what happened with the SPY today. So let's go ahead and move on to the trades from yesterday. PLUD did not quite work out as we planned, but it was still profitable. So yesterday we entered the trade right here, right? We did have a bigger profit target, but didn't quite get there. Once we started seeing this double top here, I took profit right there, final take profit right there, and then of course it came down with the market in the afternoon. So still a profitable trade. I believe about a 30% return, which is, with options, it's really good. So that's PLUG. The other one, this one was the trade that really got us going the whole day. ENPH, called it out yesterday. So this one we entered yesterday right here, right about 2 or 3 minutes before the close, or 5 minutes before the close. And then in the morning we already had our stop loss below the range yesterday, so we were able to stay in it, came back up, and then I took profits right there, guys, and then it continued moving higher. But again, a very profitable trade. I believe about 75% return, so that's a really good return on investment. And then of course sold off into the close. That was ENPH. And our swing trade from last Friday, we're still holding this one, still coming down. I took more profits today right about here, and now I'm holding the last runners. I'm looking for a continuation. There's a little gap right there, guys, so I'm thinking that if we come down, I can take the runners there, or maybe just let them run all the way down to 22, where it'll probably meet up with a 21 EMA, and you know what, we can get a bounce there. So either way, here at the gap fill or down to 22, this will be my profit target zone. I'll be happy with either one. So that's AFRM. Then we also took another trade in WMT today, got some puts. This is one I'm looking for it to come down, and we have this level here, possible support. But if we do not hold this support, I'm looking for 162 to 161.50, the bottom of this previous support level. So that would be my profit target zone, and then move on from WMT again. Then what am I looking for in tomorrow's trading session? WFC, some of the banking institutions. So we did have this reversal here. Now we're trading above the 21 EMA. I want to see if it holds this zone here. If it does, I'll be entering with some calls, and then of course see if we can get that bounce. If not, if I don't see it holding support here, then we just won't take a trade, right? It's just in a watch list. Does not mean you need to trade it. You need to wait for your setup. You need to wait for confirmation, and of course confirmation, it's up to you. You can be a risk taker and just enter, understanding that it's a demand zone, a previous rejection zone. As you all can see, it got rejected here, so now it could be new support, right? So knowing that, you could enter here and then just, without any confirmation, just trade it. Depends what kind of trader you are. You can do whatever you want. Again, I'm telling you what to buy, what to sell. You trade at your own risk. That's WFC. And I have one more, actually two more. AA. This one, same thing. If it starts coming back up, starts bouncing off of the 21 EMA, then I'll enter for some calls on the way back up. We'll see what happens here. But again, relative to the market, this one showed strength, increasing volume. So this is something that I would possibly want to be trading either tomorrow or towards the end of the week. AA. And then finally, DKNG. I hate to trade this one this way, but it's showing signs of weakness. As you all noticed today, tried to recover, but came back down and closed lower below the 21 EMA. So this one to the downside again, but I think this one needs a little bit of a pullback anyways. It'll be a little bit healthy and consolidate a little longer before it makes a huge move. Again, I like DKNG, I like DraftKings, but I got to trade what I see, and what I see here is more downside. So that's what I got for you all. Catch you in the next one.